model, 2016 Renault Trafic Vivaro Sport 1.6 DCI starts drives needs dual mass clutch repair No Vat. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 271,807. MOT, the 2nd of October 2026. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine and gearbox are fine. The dual mass is vibrating quite heavily. Still starts and drives fine. Either use it as it is until it gives up, or repair it, totally up to you. Still a bargain with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable.